Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Kiana and this is Queendashe. So I just want to start off this video saying that this is just a two-part video of me cleaning my upstairs. It's a little repetitive because I'm doing so much laundry motivation in this video. Also, starting off this video, this is the first day of school, but I had so much laundry that I needed to get done, so we are going to start this off with laundry, and I will be stopping here and there to help out my daughter with school. My husband's helping my daughter with school, so we're just getting it done.
My home is you. 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 Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sweats? Would you let my way find my way home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
Oh my mate, eh? You made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, back up a bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista está
Told me that I
especular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma, esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. It's gonna be oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes.
Okay, so this is just a couple hours later, and I am just putting their beds together. I wanted to wait until my son was out of school, and right now he's just doing homework. So I am just going to quickly make their beds. So this is the next day, and I am just cleaning up these bears, and I am counting them. My daughter was playing with them, and I figured she would probably lose some of them, so I wanted to count them and make sure I had them all. And she definitely did lose like 3 bears, and I luckily found them. But I am just going to vacuum up their room, so I'm going to move all of this stuff off of my floor, off of their floor, and vacuum up the carpet.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while, the words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected, it's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space.
I am sanitizing his desk. I sanitized my daughter's as well, but I did not show that because I just didn't show it. But I am back in my room, and I am just going to make my bed and again do some more laundry motivation.
You're on planet X. I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Space, right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do now. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Space, right into space. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, into space. Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me. Wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a
So I'm just going to vacuum up my room and then head off into the bathroom to get that all cleaned up.
But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. You know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe is a bitch. Losing it, I'm going crazy. Trying my best just to stay awake. Losing it, I'm going crazy. This feeling is driving me half insane. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a
My camera ended up dying in the middle of me cleaning my bathroom, so I end up just finishing off the toilet and cleaning the shower and tub off camera just so I can get done with it quicker, I end up changing out the battery, and you guys will see me vacuuming the bathroom, putting everything back, and then vacuuming the hallway.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you.
And we are reaching the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, my name is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and I hope you guys got so much laundry motivation and cleaning motivation out of this video. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please make sure you like, comment, and just make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.